In this video, we're breaking down how to test your free and total chlorine using the Taylor K-2006C Kit. First, we'll test free chlorine, the portion of chlorine actively sanitizing and oxidizing the water. For commercial pools, free chlorine should typically be kept between 2 and 4 parts per million, depending on local health codes. The bottles for testing our chlorine will have yellow caps. Fill the test tube to 25 milliliters with pool water. Add 2 level scoops of DPD powder R0870. The water should turn pink. Then, fill the syringe with 1 milliliter of R0871 titrating reagent. Add 1 drop at a time until the pink color disappears and the water turns clear. Count the drops. Each drop equals 0.2 parts per million of chlorine. Multiply the number of drops by 0.2 to get your free chlorine level. In our example, 20 drops times 0.2 equals 4.0 parts per million of free chlorine. Next, using the same water sample, we'll measure total chlorine, which includes both free chlorine and combined chlorine. Combined chlorine forms when chlorine reacts with contaminants such as sweat or ammonia, creating chloramines, the source of that strong pool smell. In a well-balanced pool, combined chlorine should be less than 0.2 parts per million. Anything higher means it's time to shock or superchlorinate. Using the same water as our free chlorine test, add 5 drops of R0003, the combined chlorine reagent, and swirl gently. If any combined chlorine is present, the sample will turn pink again. If that happens, titrate once more with R0871, 1 drop at a time, until the sample turns clear again. Count those drops and multiply by 0.2 to find your combined chlorine level. In our case, the water sample stays clear. That means no combined chlorine is present, and our free chlorine and total chlorine are equal. Check out our YouTube channel for the rest of this test kit series, plus more pool care how-tos, product recommendations, and pro tips to keep your pool running right all season long.